I just want to welcome you all here to Ogden, to Weber State University, to our LEDA Utah event. I'm really excited. I'm overjoyed that every single one of you is in the seat right here.
Came here to learn more about drones and kind of explore, see what other options there are out there, and try to expand our program at our police department.
This is going to be our biggest and best event ever. We have close to 220 attendees here, 25 vendors. We'll probably have close to 300 people this week. And so it's just really awesome to see the growth that we as an organization have been experiencing, and through you. I've got a fantastic team that I'm working with. We've got a really fantastic agenda set for training this week.
LEDA brings in the most current tech, the most current valuation of these different products that can help your city. And so if you're not here, you're not going to get that updated information and have the ability to train your teams.
I've been to other law enforcement conferences, and as far as like the camaraderie and the networking here, it's amazing. I've met people from all over the United States, developed plenty of contacts, and got lots of good information even outside of the classroom, just talking to different people from different departments.